Hey there, Tiffany Thomas with wealthytiffany.com. And in today's episode on my YouTube channel, we are going to be talking about the most important thing to know about money. And if you guys are ready for financial freedom, I want you to type freedom into the comments and make sure and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want more content like you're going to get and more content about becoming financially free at a young age. And don't forget to like this video if you enjoy the content. So let's dive right in and talk about the most important thing to know about money. And that is that you must have a purpose for your money or it's going to disappear. And here's what I mean by this. So you need to be setting your goals with your money so that your money actually has a purpose. And you're not just spending money all the time, just swiping that credit card and then asking yourself, where did my money go? Right? I'm sure we've all said that at one point or another. Oh, I thought I had more money than that. Oh, that's all that's left in my checking account? My bad. I don't know where my money went. So we need to make sure and have a purpose for our money so we can spend it intentionally and consciously rather than just, swiping that credit card on a new pair of shoes or a new dress. Or whatever it might be, and then regretting that purchase later and thinking, oh man, I wish I didn't spend my money on that. I could have spent that better elsewhere. So we really need to make sure and have a clear purpose on what we want our money to be doing for us. So we need to set some financial goals. And just to give you an example, mine is to become financially free at age 40. So it's a very specific goal. It's a very specific purpose that I have. So now when I am making decisions about my money, where to spend that money, where to put the money, I ask myself, okay, is this leading me closer to my goal or further away from my goal? And that helps me to, just take a second and really think consciously, okay, is this going to be a good purchase? Is this going to be a good way to spend my money right now? Or is this not such a good idea? Is it going to take me further away from my goal, from my purpose for my money? And I want you guys to really think about that when you are spending your money. And even if you're putting your money in savings instead of investing your money, really make a conscious effort and think, okay, is this going to help me reach my goal, whatever financial goal you're working toward? And it could be, a down payment on a house, or it could just be building up an emergency fund. It could be, saving for a car to purchase. There's lots of different goals that we can set with our money. So be intentional and be very conscious about your purpose for your money so that it's not just disappearing and you're wondering where it went. And this will really, really help you with your money, with taking care of your finances, and it will help you to, feel good about what you're spending your money on, and it helps your money work for you because you actually have a purpose for your money. So I want you to set a specific purpose and really think about that when you're spending your money or saving your money. Ask yourself, is this leading me closer to my financial goal, or is it taking me further away? And, we have to spend money on things that we may not want to. We have to have a place to live. We have to have food to eat. We have to have those necessities. But we, need to have that long-term goal, that main focus. So that will help us really make wise financial choices. It'll help us to make better choices with our money if we know what we're working towards. And we can see, us getting closer to that goal, which is very incentivizing. It helps us when we have that progress that we can see. It makes us more excited and we want to put more money toward that goal. So it helps us, cut back on things that aren't really a priority, that we don't really value, and then we regret spending our money on later. So make sure and set your purpose for your goal. And I want to know what that is. What is your current financial goal? So write that in the comments And let me know if this video is helpful to you, and please make sure and like it if it is helpful and share it. And don't forget to comment below with freedom if you are ready for financial freedom, and share your money goal below. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, thanks.